Hey guys, Elijah May Gaming here, and today we're going to be playing Ratchet and Clank into the Nexus. Now, I've had this game for quite a while, but I've never really played it, so let's get into it. Accept. New game. Cat it. I've never played this game before. Let's skip this. Sorry, I don't like watching the beginnings of stuff. I like watching like the cutscenes, but not the beginnings. They just take too much time for me. Weapons receive a special upgrade at level 3. I believe Crockett's up around the bridge. 10 bolts says there's like, well, I have more than 10 bolts, so we are good. Very good. My bad. I like how I didn't mind that I just smacked him with a wrench. Continue. Who put this here? Yeah, let's like come up gently. Whoa, I just shot him with a gun and he still didn't wake up. What the heck? I love this game, man. Already, I love it. Oh god, yes. Whoa. The chair was saying Z. It was like the chair was sleeping. Vendra, who is Vendra Prog? I haven't played most of the previous games. I played some of the previous games, like Crack in Time. Well, not. Yeah, I played like Crack in Time. All for One, I guess. So I've played a lot of them, but I've never really played this one. I don't know why. I got it and then I never played it. Did that just work? Oh my god. She is so ugly! Oh my god! This is a bad idea. Oh god, yeah, it was. What just happened? Oh god, don't just stand there. Oh, it's zero gravity. Wow, I feel stupid. Just because it's zero gravity doesn't mean you talk slow, I guess. Look up. I already saw him. Hey, bud. Yeah, I already saw him. That's how awesome I am. Oh my god. That was so awesome. Alright, so jump. Oh my god. Dude, none of those, not like Crack in Time and stuff like that, they didn't have this stuff. Oh, jump over here. Woo! Oh god. Jump right here. Alright. Oh, that's pretty cool. I thought I did that before by accident. Is there any way to like speed this up? Speed up the jumping thing. Almost full. How do I get up there? Hold L1 fire weapons. What am I supposed to do here? Oh, I'm supposed to hit those. Yeah, I didn't. I had no idea what was going on there. the... Where am I going? Dude, I have no idea what the objective is. Dude, if I was Ratchet right now, I'd be so scared. If I was Clank, I wouldn't really be scared because, you know, Clank's a robot. Wait, use the grab boots. Use the grab boots. Yeah. You see, why can't I do that each time? I usually just go really slow. Yep, like that. Oh, you have to press X 2 times. You have to press it 2 times to go fast. Boom. Dude, this game is so awesome already. Like, I don't usually get to play games like this a lot. Alright, he's gonna turn these off, right? Because I can't really go through that. Everybody do the limbo. Oh. I was probably gonna kill myself. Ow. It's time to do the limbo. Oh, wow. How low can you go? Not very low. Quit talking and just do it, please. Idiot. Oh, God. I hope they're okay.
Where would you put it?
Sorry guys, had to take a little cut there because parents walked in on me and they had to use the TV. So yeah. Nanotech. Yeah, I know what that is. Cause I played the past 2 other Ratchet and Clank games. What you got on me? Open. Open. Open sesame. But the power's out. What the heck? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. There's no power, but she hacked into us. What? Well, I'm glad you did. I guess the phone they sent me off to prison. I had no idea we were even doing that. I'm I'm sincerely sorry. I'm really not. I'm just trying to gain her trust. Oh God. What? Wait, oh God. Is that thing gonna kill me? Oh yeah, that thing's gonna kill me. I'm out. Dude, I just did that! I just did that! I'm so bad awesome! Now what do I do? Oh, I go over here. Well, this is a pretty big place for an elevator. Well, I guess elevators are... Never mind. Never mind. Never mind. Yeah. Oh, do I really have to do this already? Already kicking butt. Die. Oh, they're gonna forever drift off and ooh. Just hit it! Just hit it! Bam. Oh no. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, I shouldn't have wasted any ammo on those guys earlier, but whatever. That always works. Oh no, Vendra. I think that's Vendra. Yep, ugly girl. Yep. Vendra. Ew. She looks like a mime. And jump! Get the freaking battery bot. I had to do this in Crack in Time. I remember it. In All for One, they weren't battery bots. They were big blue squid blob electric thingies. Come on, catch it. Catch it like a boss. Oh no, you're kidding me. Bam, gotcha. This thing would make me go through all that trouble. That was really unnecessary, to be honest. Thank you. Awesome. Something's wrong with the air in here. I have a stuffy nose. Ooh. Is that a rhino thingy from last game? Hey, I was right. Woo. Woo, woo. Oh. Whoa. Had I known where the door goes, I probably wouldn't have hit it so hard. Whatever. I really need a tissue, but I really don't want to stop playing. Where do I go now? Ooh, we did it! What happened to that? What the heck? What just happened there? All the boxes went flying for some reason. Oh no. You're kidding me. She has a whole fleet coming? No way. Dude, I'm so done. I'm not defeating that whole thing. He's ugly. Oh, Bobo the monkey! Stupid. Alright, you're... Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. Bobo the monkey is scary. Boots, save me! Oh, whoa. Oh, crap. As soon as you save the day, there's always something new. Whee! Drifting off into outer space. Yay! It's so fun. It's not scary at all. Okay, yeah. Now I feel much better about this. Now I'm inside. Don't have to walk around on the side of a ship. Each time I complete a level and get to the next stage, I'll do a new video. Okay, guys? But this one is actually pretty long, so gonna end the video pretty shortly. We're gonna get past this fast as we can, alright? Let's do this. Oh wait. Hit that. Let's do this. Kick some butt! Boom. You're dead too. Get out of my way! Vendra. She looks like Bobo the monkey with longer hair. Oh crap, man, for real? They came for her? How'd she even get a hold of him? Oh wait, she hacked the PA system. Well, what the freaking heck? The power was off. That makes no sense. Oh crap, you're kidding me. I'm not playing games with y'all. I'm telling you. You guys better get out of my way or Mr. May won't be too happy. Ow, man. This is pretty unfair. I have a wrench and you have freaking blades. Alright, can I leave? Thank you. Oh, you're kidding me. Boom. Take that, butt face. I think I'm gonna end the video here, guys. See ya in the next video. Peace.